Good afternoon, children. You can see in this video I am going to explain you method of derivation of quadratic formula. Now many of you are wondering why quadratic formula, why derivation of quadratic formula. You must have learned in quadratic equation finding the root of a quadratic equation by the splitting middle term. But in some cases where the quadratic equation consists of a number like a very small number it consists of, or sometimes it consists of a number which consists of a roots. So in that case sometimes you find it very difficult to calculate roots of a quadratic equation. So that is why I am going to explain derivation. I know that the derivation is not going, nobody is going to ask derivation in the examination, but it is very important to understand the concept. So let's begin, children. Now you can see in front of you I have written a general form of the quadratic equation. General form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, which you all know. Left hand side is actually quadratic polynomial and the right hand side is equated with the 0. So you know that quadratic equation is actually polynomial equation. Since here it is a polynomial with the degree 2 and equated with the 0, so we will consider this one as a quadratic equation. Now let us begin. First of all, you will divide both the side by the coefficient of x square. You can check here, coefficient of x square is a. So I am going to divide, suppose this equation I refer with 1. So I can say that divide equation 1 by a. So when you divide by a, you will get x square because a and a cancelled, and here you will get b by a into x plus c by a, which is equal to, you know that when you divide 0 by a, you are going to get 0 only. Now after this we will shift this number or transpose c by a to the right hand side. So after transposing it, you will get expression x square plus b by a x, which is equal to minus c by a. As I transpose this number, so you are going to get c by a. Now we will try to make a left hand side as a perfect square. Now in order to make a left hand side as a perfect square, we will add with a number, add a number 1 upon 2 coefficient of x the whole square. What is the coefficient of x? B by a. So I will write 1 upon 2 b by a the whole square. So when you simplify this, you will get b square upon 2 to the 4 and a square, which is b square upon 4a square. Now I am going to add b square upon 4a square to both the side of the equation. So I will get x square plus b by a x plus b square upon 4a square, which is equal to b square upon 4a square minus, because this I am adding it, so I have written this one with the positive sign and already minus c by a is there. Now you will simplify this one further. So when you simplify it further, you are going to get this one is actually square of LHS is a square of x plus b upon 2a. You can expand it. If you do not believe, you can expand this, and you will notice that when you expand this, you will get x square plus b by a into x plus b square upon 4a square. So this is equal to, solve this, LCM will be 4a square and a, 4a square and a. LCM of this one is a 4a square, and here you will get b square minus 4ac. Now I will take a root of this left hand term and the right hand term. When you take a root, this will get rid of from the square sign, and you will get x plus b by 2a, which is equal to plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac, and divided by, because the root of 4 is a 2 and a square is a 2a. Now I would like to find out value of x. So the value of x will be equal to, minus b by 2a plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Finally, you will get the expression x equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac whole divided by 2a. Now what you notice here, that x is equal to minus b plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now this you can write x is equal to minus b plus minus, I'm sorry children, you will write one time with the plus sign, one time with the minus sign. So it is minus b plus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, or x is equal to minus b minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So there are two roots of the quadratic equation which we got by this formula. So this formula is useful formula to solve sums where numbers are very small. For example, I will give one illustration to find out, suppose you want to find out roots of quadratic equation x square minus x minus 110 equal to 0. I have taken this a very simple example. You must be knowing, some of you are knowing also. Only for the illustration purpose I am taking this one. Now if you compare this one with the general form, you will get value of a 1, value of b is also but it is minus 1, and value of c is minus 110. Now let us first find out what is the value of b square minus 4ac, which is also called as a discriminant. So let us find out d. And what is d? It is b square minus 4ac. So this is equal to, if you substitute b as minus 1 square and then minus 4 into a is 1 but c is minus 110. After simplification you will get 1, this you will get 440. Now this will be equal to 441, which is the value of d. Now once you get the value of d which is greater than 0, so there are two roots possible, and these roots are x equal to minus of b. So minus of b means minus of 1, which is minus of 1 plus minus under root of b square minus 4ac is actually d, and the value of d is 441 divided by 2 into 1. So 2 into 1, because 2 and the a is 1, it is 2. So you get two value. These values are x equal to 1 plus minus root of 441 is 21 divided by 2. This implies that your answer should be x equal to, if you consider plus, then 1 plus 21, that is 22 divided by 2, or it is 1 minus 21, that is minus 20 divided by 2. Therefore x will be equal to 11, or it is minus 10. So this one is the value of two roots of a quadratic equation using a quadratic formula. So in this video I explained you how to derive quadratic formula and one illustration to find out roots of the quadratic quadratic equation x square minus x minus 110. So this comes to an end of the video. Thank you, children.